more, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm saying hello from Paris. So I'm here out at Paris. I have my layover. So me and Kelvin are out to explore Eiffel Tower. Say hi. So we just came like in the morning. We just took a 1 hour off, not even a nap. Yeah, I just took 1 hour of rest and we just came outside, got ready. So right now we are very hungry. We want to eat something and go to Eiffel Tower. Like we are around Eiffel Tower only. We are at the premises. So see.
Remember to be here, huh?
Yeah.
Take a picture later.
We'll take the picture afterwards. So we want to eat something.
Yeah, I think.
This is the cafe. What did you have? You haven't had anything, no?
No, anything.
No, you haven't had anything, no, from the morning?
No.
Where do you want to eat? Sorry? So we were looking around the cafe. So that yellow cafe, we find it aesthetically pleasing. So we are going over there. We're really hungry. So let's see what all we get. So this is the restaurant. It's called Bali restaurant. So we want to have pizza. Which one? Which one you want to have?
Let me check. What do you have? Do you have any particular about food? No.
No, I'm not that. I wanted to try churros from here.
Churros? They have churros.
Churros they have?
Salad? No, I think. Don't think so.
Which one? Ball o salmon, sauce tomato, mozzarella, polenta salmon for me. Mozzarella cheese. Oh my god.
I like it very light. No, it's not heavy.
They don't have seasoning, oregano and all.
No pepper. I think just one, I guess.
It's very good. Like it's very different. Very light. Very good. How is the pizza, Kelvin?
Oh, very good.
Is it different?
Yeah. Better than Pizza Hut.
Ah, very different. Very good.
So it's same thing. It's a Turkish stitch egg, but instead of like you have to draw or it's not a bar, it pulls that up. So you want to tap it so it gets close like this.
If you see any Zara around, just let me know.
What around?
Zara.
What's Zara? Oh, Zara.
Oh.
Yes. You want to shop?
Yeah, maybe you should look around.
Drag it off.
No, I just like to have pizza like this.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I can just enjoy.
Good weather. What do you say? The sunset is really late, huh?
I still wanted to see the night view.
9:51. I'm like, what? If 7 or 8 is acceptable, 9.
If 8 also we could have stayed.
Ah.
So we just had our pizza and we clicked some good pictures. I had to train him for the pictures. How was the experience?
It was so good, really good.
So we clicked pictures. Here is the Eiffel Tower. Sorry, you couldn't see from here. But maybe I'll insert one picture so that you can have a view. And we really wanted to come at night. But you know, your sun sets at 10 at night. So we don't have that much of time. It's a very... So tomorrow early morning, not early morning, it's 10 something. We have to go for our flight. So we need some rest as well because we haven't slept that good. And he hasn't slept at all. The crew rest also. He couldn't sleep because of the turbulence.
Turbulence, quite bumpy. Really bumpy.
Very bumpy. Oh, there's no way.
How to get the other side?
How to get on the other side?
I think all the way, I think.
So here's the park. People are roaming. You know what I've heard? You should be very careful of your belongings because you have so many thieves. Oh yeah. So we're just grabbing. I have a very small bag, so I'm just grabbing it like this.
Very practical.
Oh, very particular. So let's see. We will enjoy.
Can do picnic here.
Yeah, very, very nice. Something is happening over there.
Oh, he just told you.
No picture. No picture. So here are the souvenirs. It's so surreal. If you want to be inside the tower, you have to pay some amount. And see, the people are going inside. I'm not sure if you can see. You have to pay some euros, 22 or 33 euros. You can be inside.
Yeah, why?
Here the people are gambling. So you need to choose which cup has the ball. She gets the money. Double the money. So we are inside the park. We had to do a little security check. So here are the people. I really wanted to have the night look view. There are names engraved over there, if you can see. So here's a cave kind of thing. We're just going. Here they do. नेपालीमा vlog बनाउन त मिलेन अब. Oh, we have a nice seating area. So
Because you are the Boeing, should be you have a lot of chance to get here.
Paris?
Boeing fly here.
but next month I have my Airbus training as well. So I'll be flying mixed
Oh,
fleet.
you know, I haven't.
Because next month usually they give like after
3
2
months.
yeah. So next month roster. So you can see the Olympic sign, and this year Olympic is on Paris. So from next month they are starting with the Olympics, just warm up session I believe. So he wants to click picture over here. He wants to click. So maybe I can take it from this angle. Oh yeah, this angle is coming. Yeah, you can come over there. The souvenir shop. So I got this for my home. Fridge magnet too, and one keychain for myself. So probably I'm going to make a room keychain. It's nice. So now we are going to some park. He just wants to go and explore to that park. So we are finding out ways. So there is a, I don't know, a bus or a subway over here which takes us to that station. So we're just figuring it out.
120 grand.
So let's see how it goes. I bought some of the souvenirs from my home. There are some more souvenir shops. Oh wow! How cute is this bag? Nice, no?
Okay.
You want to buy?
No. Just okay.
It's okay.
I saw someone eating ice cream. I also wanted.
Let's have ice cream, no? Oh, there is an ice cream. Yeah. You want to see? We're planning to eat ice cream. So there are churros as well.
No, you have to go on. Pretzel. Yeah, pretzel.
Oh, yes.
Not euros.
Not churros, no? Some cotton candies. What's the name? Barbie Papa. I have ice cream. What do you want to have? Oh, we have an Eiffel Tower. This thing as well.
No chocolate?
See, here also they have.
The tower.
5 for €1. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hello.
I think we have to cross. I think we have to cross.
No, I guess it'll come this side.
Yeah, you know, just like a bus.
Yeah. This is the metro of Paris. But metro is very convenient over here, no? No? Metro is very convenient over here, no?
Really,
I really liked it.
The frequency also like every 3 minutes.
So we just took the metro, and you know what's the best part about here? It's like every 3 minutes the metro is here, and it's very convenient. Yeah, oh, see the tunnels. Finally, we are here. We missed one station, then again we took the other metro, then we are here. What is this name? What is this place name?
Ah, this is the Arcs of the Leon. Yeah, you want to go here?
Arc de Triomphe. This side? Okay, now let's go. What is that? Waffle? Oh, so many Nutella flavors. Hi! Finally here we have come to see this. It's a historical place, architecture one. I didn't have that much idea about this, but he was very interested. Oh my god, look at the cube. Ooh, Eiffel Tower. Huge. Their names and carved. This is the flag. I don't know, like, what's this? September 1870 Proclamation de la République. What my friend Kelvin is saying. tell in my vlog. Tell in my vlog.
That's the logic.
Just tell in my vlog. What did you say?
This one, I think they're gonna get the fire from here, the torch, and carry over to the stadium for the opening ceremony.
For Olympics.
Yeah.
And there is a stage. You can see. I wish if it's a wrong info, please bear in. Idol shoot going on over here. Very fancy. Fancy the Paris. So we just saw a mall over here. So see, we wanted to discover, we wanted to explore, see what's in sight. Which movies are on screen right now? It's Greenhouse, Planet of Apes, La Petite Vadrone. Planet of Apes. This is Planet of Apes. So we have DR. I think this is a very posh area. There is a Samsung store. What's that?
It's a food.
Oh, cafe?
Takeaway.
Cafe Joyx. You want to go there?
Walk to the LV.
Okay, LV. We'll see the LV.
Your viewer.
This is the SL. SL. This one is a luxury lane. If you guys have seen Money Heist Part 2, like Season 2, it's in Paris, so it's all giving me bonjour vibes. Money Heist. What's that? Oh, McD's over there. You can go finally to McD. So I'm just reminiscing all the, Money Heist scenes. Where Berlin is in Paris, doing all the smuggle, this, that. It's the boss. So I'm just curious about this LV. What is this? Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Is this a Vuitton or a store? Obviously, Paris is the fashion capital. I feel like everybody is walking the ramp over here. Everybody's so well dressed up, So we are just here, back to the pavilion. So we are eating. So he wants to have pasta, and I just got something smoothie. I don't know what it is, but it's really good. I'm having a bite. I was so thirsty. So this is the restaurant we're eating. Sorry, cafe. So sorry guys, couldn't end my vlog because I was so dead tired. So this is the end of the Paris series. So please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're new to the family, welcome to the fam. Bye bye, see you in my next vlog.